In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp 2025. We'll set up a ready-made budget system in just a few clicks using ClickUp's templates, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. First, sign into ClickUp and head to My Workspace. This is your home base where all your projects and lists live. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want your budget to sit, especially if you're part of multiple teams. Next, open the project where you want to manage your finances. Think of this project as the container for your budget list and any related tasks or views. If you already have a finance or operations project, use that. Otherwise, pick the most relevant one for your workflow. Inside your project, look for the three-dot menu, which opens the list settings. You'll typically find this near the top of your list or on the right side of the interface. This menu is where you can manage structure, views, and templates. Click Templates to access ClickUp's pre-built setups. Templates are a huge time saver and often include custom fields, statuses, and views designed for common use cases. Choose Browse Templates to open the full library. This brings up categories and a search bar so you can quickly find what you need. In the search bar, type budget. This filters the library to show finance-focused options. You'll see templates for personal budgets, project budgets, and broader financial tracking. Pick the template that best fits your needs. Take a moment to read its description and preview the included fields. Many budget templates include columns like income, expenses, categories, due dates, and even calculated fields to track totals and differences. Choose the one that matches your style and level of detail. Click Use Template. You may see a quick setup screen asking where to apply it and whether to include example tasks or keep your current statuses. If you're unsure, the default options usually work well. Confirm by clicking Use Template again. ClickUp will apply the structure to your project, and after a moment, you'll see it appear. You'll now see the new template on the left side of your project. Locate and open the personal budget list that was added. This is where your finance tracking happens. From here, you can start populating income and expense items, adjust categories to match your situation, and rename fields for clarity. If the template includes currency or formula fields, they'll calculate totals automatically as you go. You can also switch views like table for data entry or calendar for due dates and hide any columns you don't need to keep things clean. That's it. Your finance and budget system is ready in ClickUp 2025. Save the project, keep your entries consistent, and you'll have a clear picture of your money at a glance.